Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, we're going to go over how you replace your license plate light on a 2011 Honda Fit. On this Honda Fit, you come to the back, and all you got to do is this is where your license plate light is. The license plate would go here, and you just got to push it. It even has an arrow that tells you which way to remove, and you just got to push it this way and kind of pry it up, and then you can pull this unit out. You can undo the electrical clip by pushing in and unhooking the electric. Then you just got to squeeze these two tabs together to pull it apart, and then here is your light bulb, and you would just take that out. Same thing, get a new one, you put it in, press it in there, connect back. Then this has some tabs right here that line up, and so it can only go in the one way. So we line those tabs up, snap it together, and then just go ahead and retrieve this as long as it doesn't fall all the way in there. The electrical connection back together. So just push it that way, push it to the right, make sure it's all down, push it down, and pull it back to the left. And that's how you would replace your license plate lights on your 2011 Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.